Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C. In this video I'll show you how to enable TalkBack function. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and now search for TalkBack. Enter it and now switch this button to enable TalkBack. Also, you can enable TalkBack shortcut. And in settings, you can manage text-to-speech settings, verbosity, sound and vibration. You can customize focus, gestures, menus, enable cover proximity sensor to stop speech, automatic descriptions, Braille keyboard, Braille display, tutorial and help, advanced settings. And also you can open TalkBack at Play Store. So let's switch this button and allow. TalkBack is now enabled. Now, listen to tutorial. To disable TalkBack, press this button and then press it twice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.